Well, folks, it's Monday. It's time for another update.
But I've really been struggling these last 2 weeks.
But we'll adapt and overcome. Let's get to it.
Well, as you all can see, I did harvest the Asian leaf cabbage. Tore apart the system, and it's currently outside, and we're gonna clean it in a couple days. Now let's check out some of these sketchy water spinach seeds that I ordered in the mail. They seem to be struggling, so I added a little heat light, give them a little warmth. These will be going in the big system once they get big enough. I was finally able to get around to transplanting these giant noble spinach seedlings, and they also are looking good. Well, I really can't explain it. pH is correct, the ppms are correct, water temp's correct. I'm at a loss for words. Was it you, Luca? Was it you, Gidget? I know it wasn't you guys. Well, stay tuned for next week's update. Thanks for watching.